The popular baking soda and vinegar cleaning hack.
Baking soda and vinegar are household staples. Many people claim that mixing these two ingredients creates a powerful cleaner for everything from sinks to showers. This cleaning hack is widely shared online. But how well does it really work? Let's explore the science behind this frothy combo to find out the truth.
How baking soda and vinegar react.
When mixed, baking soda, a base, and vinegar, an acid, react instantly, producing fizzing bubbles of carbon dioxide. This reaction is dramatic to watch, but it quickly neutralizes both ingredients, forming mostly water and a small amount of salt. That means the strong qualities of each are actually canceled out.
Do they clean better together?
Despite their popularity as a cleaning team, mixing baking soda and vinegar doesn't clean better than using either one alone. The fizz may help dislodge some debris, but after the reaction, what's left has very little cleaning power. The two ingredients are much more effective when used separately for specific tasks.
The best way to use baking soda and vinegar.
For the most effective cleaning, use baking soda as a gentle abrasive scrub or odor absorber, and vinegar as a descaler or disinfectant, but not at the same time in the same spot. This way, each ingredient's strengths are put to good use without being canceled out in a chemical reaction.
The verdict: myth busted.
Mixing baking soda and vinegar is not a super cleaner. While the bubbling looks impressive, science shows that their combined effect is less powerful than simply using them one after the other. For the best results, treat each as a separate cleaning tool. The myth has been debunked.